Beyond meat, finally, we have a humongous jump, almost 15% at the market open, slightly breaking out, then pulling back. We're going to discuss why the price pumped today and is this the right time to buy or not, or this is the right time to squeeze for this month and beginning of this year or not. Before we go further, remember our content here for educational purposes only. Guys, let me just show you what's going on right now. Beyond Meat, 8% finally hitting the $1.08. We hit even the $1.010. Now you'd be asking, what's that mean? We just jumped 10%. It's not a big deal. No, I'm going to tell you because this one is a big deal because if we go back in time, the first time we have a squeeze, it was like this. We jumped 15%, 18%, then the price pulled back, and the next day we squeezed. If you remember, this happened on 26th of November, and after a few days, we jumped on the 1st of December. On Monday, we squeezed almost 30% or beyond that. Let me just check here, 68%. And now we have the same scenario. And we broke this time from this trend that we entered at the beginning of December, we pulled back from, and we tested last time in the beginning of this year, and now we have a huge jump once again. And this time we tested the major seller place around the 108. And you see what's happened here. The market opened just in the 5 minute, the first 5 minutes, we got the test and humongous seller came in again. You see, we didn't hold over the 108. We didn't even hold 5 minutes over the 108. We hit the 110 and we pulled back. This means the short seller is not getting out that easily, but it's not the end of the day because the good thing is we have double bottom right now. We confirmed that we have a big buyer over the 90 cent. And if we pull back today, if we still holding over the 90, would be great for a retest over the 108. And this time we might hit the 125. And this is another 15% over the 108. So 15%. And again, if we jumped this time, we have to test the $1.57. And one of you will say, Beyond Meat jumped because they launched this new immerse protein drink. So a new line of revenue will come from this kind of drinks. And this will be, yes, in a big picture, because if they generate revenue from selling this drink, it would be good for the company. But now, just from the technical point of view, we still got a huge seller around the 108, which we should break it in order to do at least first time 15%, and the second time on the 157 25%, or in total almost 50% for this year or this month in beginning 2026. So it will be a good start if we have this reaction for Beyond Meat. Let me know, guys, in comment section below what's going on and what's happened around the 108. Is that short sellers, a small short sellers, or are we gonna take this level the next time when we test it? Because as we said, we had a bit of time before the squeeze. We took a bit of time after we broke this channel. We took a few days to have the breakout, the official breakout, and get halted, because this time once the market opened here, or after the market opened, we got halted before the market closed by a few hours. So maybe we might have the same reaction and we get halted after we break the $1.08 the next time. This would be the best case scenario.